My name is actually Nia Elizabeth.
Who are you talking to? Hey.
I'm talking to Sabina White. Huh? Yeah, what?
Okay na. Kung sakto pagka square 5 ko lumapag siya. 1-1 na nga din. Oo nga. Mga ano naman yan. Kamusta naman ang buhay-buhay mga pre? Kamusta ang War of Imperium natin? Agit Lords pala.
No, it's like this, and I love unicorn.
Right, hey.
What?
Let me see.
This is gonna be fun, bro.
Si Namrepus siya, si Penny ang next. 11 seconds para sa kanila. Thank you. Ano ba tong square ko? Jerusalem bells are ringing, and cavalry.
Say it.
Kailan face worm to, di ba? Boss Randolph, shout out sa'yo. Water. Water element. Medium size water element pre.
But you yet watched it. And I love unicorns. Unicorns are yellow. Unicorns are.
Paklay mga par.
No, so it means to remember those times that I love.
Paputa ganun. Oh.
I'm evil, right? So I get to do whatever. I'm more evil than you. Let's fight.
Ito ka na. Hindi ako pwede masyado magpuwet dahil maaga pumapasok yung mga ano ko eh. Mga Junakis ko eh. Maganda pala mga laman ng streamer egg, so hopefully makakuha kayo na maganda sa mga streamer eggs na napapalalunan nyo. And sayang streamer eggs, maganda pa naman yung bagong itlog pre.
I'm already looking.
Wait lang. Pagpalagay mo mga 2 buwan, 3 buwan, September to November, tapos December yung war, hanggang Feb.
I don't care. Okay. No. Ayan.
Hintay lang tayo mga maglalaro.
And one for rainbow, one for Amanda.
Ako. Kung alam nyo, edi wala tayong magagawa. Ganun talaga. Hindi. Ano pa lang ngayon, pre? Wednesday. Hina, wait lang ha. Gitna. 2 months na sub. Thank you. Pati kay Jojo, kay Kikuchi, kay Pogs. Pati kay Atlas din. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
What is it's coming here? Look, they're trying to check some drama. Bro, look
Teka,
everyone
labas
is
ko lang yung
gathering on the
marbles. Okay na. Si Jojo na naalo, pre. Ayun. Maraming salamat sa dumaan sa stream. Yan, notify lang yung mga pre. Balik stream na ulit ako. Dami lang kasi talagang ginawa. Busy. First to chat sa pub. First winner.
I would be so angry. Let's join my new friend. Do you know this Alejandro? Yeah. Just follow me.
Ano ba to? Si Banayad, si Kikuchi, si...
Okay, fine. Let's chill.
Unang-una yan, angry follower.
Why do you
Grave Worm, goods. Grave Worm, pre. Nauna si Chodan. Grave Worm. Ang sagot, Grave Worm.
but wait, can you help?
Tag sabihin si ano na naman mananalo dito.
Why are you scared? Someone's trying to play a game.
Haba naman ito. Si Atong.
Wait, I have a friend that is called that's name is Amanda in my ballet class.
Okay, next. Oh, next clue natin. Medium.
I'm back. I'm
Huwag
back.
nyo hanapin, pre, na... Kamusta ano natin, Adjit Lords?
Oh, good.
Never wondered how we got this. If you cheat us, siguro 25 LC per round sa Guess the Monster. Kamusta naman server mga pre? Ano else, Jewel? Ano yan, pre?
Tell me who won.
As the moonlight shines.
It's gonna be fun. Wait, you're playing Minecraft? Did you? They said that they.
Solid naman yung costume, no? Idol. Malayo pa. Warper Aruna Phelps. Punta tayo sa 7-Eleven mamaya.
When I said I'm like an I'm gonna turn you to an emo, bro.
Kita-kits bukas sa stream.
Are you gonna?
And ayun lang tayo for tonight. Thank you guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Sabihan nyo din ako kung may naglalaro o wala. Para pag wala naglalaro, proceed tayo sa susunod sa ano. Mga kung ano-anong ek-ek na. Papag-pats pa din. Halos walang nabago. Parang boss raffle sa top fan pati sa subscriber. Yun, subscribe lang kayo sa page, 99 pesos per month. Yun, maraming salamat boss Atong sa 2 months pa.
So I guess we're the opposite. I'm gonna make you headless.
Putang ina, ayaw lumaki. Ayan pre. Oh, ayan, clue.
You're over now.
2 weeks din, 2 weeks.
I can have your account
Thank you for sharing, pre.
whenever I want to and however I
Teka,
want.
ayusin ko lang yung listahan. Ay, hindi. Mail ko na lang.
I'm trying to bring. I'm just okay. This is gonna be fun, right?
Okay na. Gamre po sa Dreamwork. Good shit.
Burr.
1 minute. Para sa mga entries. Na mga nandito pa sa stream. May 1 minute in level. Madali na siyang i-search.
Funny. Just asking. Bro, I always thought that in my mind during afternoon that Sophia was a part of it. Sorry. Let's keep up the server.
Pagkapos tayo sa oras,
This is gonna be
gamitin ko yung isang sasakyan. Yung isa. Puti.
one for a rainbow, one for Amanda. What you're playing with soon. Amanda. I don't know. Can you remove that? I don't know. What life? It's quick. It's like a street food where people sell it by 4 o'clock to like 6. Yeah, there's something fishy. Suspicious. I'm gonna get some Hansen muna. Then
Ako,
we
next lang siguro tayo 4 rounds. Siyempre, anong map yan? So magbibigay ako ng clue after 3 minutes? Nanalo ba si Pen? Hindi naman nanalo si Pen eh. Chi Merchi. Mamimigay ako ng 50 NLs jewel tsaka yung lottery ticket na isang daan. Ayun. Nice, nice.
I'm gonna do a hack it real quick.
Padsel, pre.
What did you buy again at the school fair? I forgot. That was like that ever since.
Okay, alista na kita kanina. Nahulog pa nga si Enlong.
This is gonna be fun for the entire server.
Yeah. Foods. Si Namrebus tsaka si Penny. Pa-claim ako Namrebus, Penny. May 45 seconds din kayo. Pag wala, iPhone please.
At least I left.
Lilista lang ako. Level reveal. Level mo. Level ng mob.
Maybe injection.
Lalabas na to pag nakuha niyo. Stops.
Oh yeah.
See?
Yep, you knew.
Just I need to put it back on my personal Facebook.
You got anything?
Ayun, si Aishi. Guys,
You don't know. Oh, it's a super button. It's actually
parang tagal nito, no? Lalo na pag-unti naghahanap. Yun, siguro sunod-sunod gawin natin, Guess the Monster. 2 rounds Anel's Jewel, 5 rounds LC. Tapos tapos raraffle kayo sa subscribers. VIP din yan.
Oh my gosh, I saw a beautiful person.
First.
No,
25 seconds left.
no. The jump about this street. I mean, never mind.
Friendly or are you almost ending or something?
Okay. The end.
Hindi siya isilap, pre.
Oh, okay. $50 Anel's Jewel. Are you wearing a ponytail
2 winners.
right now? Can you join me? Actually, it's a bit scary. Yes, help me. Can you help me try to find the other people? In Roblox talaga.
KOE kayo, di ba? Wednesday. Kaya nyo na yan, pre.
Right there. Other drama. My brother's sleeping. My brother's sleeping. And he never says anything. He just put his
Size. Pagpasok ng March, third job. Tapos April, season 2 championships. Mergy, may 45 seconds ka to claim kung nandiyan ka. 45 seconds para kay Mergy.
Right in. I'm gonna wait yours too. Okay.
Okay, welcome to the stream, Pen. Guess the monster tayo. In-game na lang kasi ang hirap dito sa ano eh. Sa Facebook eh. Dahil yan, 22 entries.
Just have
Mabilisan lang sa top 1 raffle. Search nyo kasi gamitin nyo. Human, medium, neutral. May kita niyan, pre. Promise. Yan na, tatlo. Yan na, sagad na yun. Wala na akong clue na ibibigay. Ayun, si Jojo. Ito. Ayan.
what?
So, tatlo na lang. Si Aishi, si Tagum, siya si Triggerman. Okay, Boss Jemuel. Okay, kanino to Akane? Ang swerte, pre. Sakto. Sa front, dito sa tambayan.
Bro, I'm trying to not
Online ka
I
ba?
don't know how to.
Ano yung picture, pre? Para sa 25 LC. Yung sunod-sunod naman yan eh. 16, 17, 18. Basta pababa.
Or whatever I want. Ow.
Oh, Jojo o ng ano else jewel sa Guess the Monster. Tapos 5 rounds ng
I think I just have
abot yan, pre. Palaro lang gagawin ko ngayon, ngayon.
you know, how you watch it.
Pag hindi nag-claim si Redux saka si Akane,
Like, you have YouTube kids?
hanap lang tayo ng ipapaguess. So after 5 minutes, lalakihan ko ulit yung square. Yo, ba't na headset ko? October yung live event. So bali may 3 months na ayun, pasok. Stop na pre.
Same. Let me run over Jollibee. It's fun.
Nilakihan ko na yung radius ng square
How
para
dare you? Me too.
pre, sali nyo lang kahit alt. Siguro mga Madali lang makuha yan, pre. Medium size water. 1 minute. Ano? Ba ito? Kamusta, Jet Lord sa ano? Putang ino, naka all stats costume yun, oh. Okay, next round. 4 rounds. Dalawa yun.
Probably they want
Dalawa
to
or
play
ka-clone.
a new
Say
game.
2 plus 6. Ang clue is large. Large.
Right there. Anong shoot? Right there.
Pro LC, NIS Duel,
Discuss.
Ano pa ba pwede natin i-paraffle?
Here. Enjoy.
Okay, titignan ko kung ano may mga paraffle. Four seconds.
They don't even know daily though. Bye. See you later. Why not? Why are you banned? What happened? Probably you lost your account or you need to update.
Kailangan nyo lang tumele dito sa square. Makasaktuan nyo yung tele nyo sa square para mananalo kayo ng NIS Jewel 100 pieces. Tapos, ano tayo, raffle tayo ng subs sa mga subscribe.
Right? We're trying to trick my friend. Wait, I see many money. Tell me who's the bird and tell them if they're trying to target. Dito na ako.
Hindi, bagay no, kaila ano to kaila
Di ba
Face.
thumbs up? Why were you a fat robber though?
yun na. Baka maraming na
Can you join me? This is a fun game.
sali na kayo, tele LGP pre. Siya eh. Neutral, medium, human, search. And will come between us. Oh, no.
Bro, they're trying to watch drama class.
Ano ng pangalan sa Divine Pride, hanapin nyo by yung mga clue na binibigay natin, mas madaling mahanap. So, demi-human siya kasi mukha nga siyang isi. Yun, no? Salamat sa 8 viewers natin. Basta pag medyo malapit na kayo sa character ko, wag muna kayo mag-tele. Singing. Next round para sa